I did that. It is music time. I am just going to quickly get changed and I will see you downstairs where we will start music. Oh, good morning, Samuel. See you soon.
Today, I'm going to teach you a brand new song, and Benjamin knows this because he was in grade 2 last year, and he remembers this truly is one of my favorite songs in grade 2. I know I say that about every song we do in grade 2, like The Cat Came Back. I love that one. I love Boom Boom.
That's my favorite.
I know,
Oh
but
my
Canada in My Pocket, really, it's one of my absolute favorites. It's just gorgeous, and it's about
money.
It's about money. It's about the money we have in our pockets in Canada. What kind of money do we have? We have pennies. Not anymore, actually. Bad example. Nickels, quarters, dimes, loonies and toonies. Exactly. And this song is just about that. It talks about the significance of what is actually on each coin. And so it goes like this. I've got Canada in my pocket. A little bit of history. A penny and a nickel and a quarter and a dime mean a lot to you and me. It's more than pocket money. They're the symbols of our land. They're pictures of important things for which this country stands. Good memory. Good job. So that's the chorus. So in the song, it keeps coming back to that chorus. If you would like to just rewind, listen to us singing that to you again. Oh, I see. I have an assistant here. He's getting some coins to show you. He's getting some coins. Can you find a penny and a nickel and a quarter and a dime?
So,
Here, let's see. Okay, there's the penny. A penny and a nickel and a quarter and a dime mean a lot to you and me. It's more than pocket money. They're the symbols of our land. They're pictures of important things for which this country stands. Now, all of the pictures on each of these coins has a significant meaning, and it's something special to Canada for a very specific reason. So, okay, you gotta stop giving me money, dude. It's enough with the money. So I'm gonna play the song for you. I hope you enjoy it. It's one of my absolute favorites. I know I say that about every song, but really and truly, this really is. Okay, thank you. Thank you. All right, enjoy.
I've got Canada in my pocket, a little bit of history. A penny and a nickel and a quarter and a dime mean a lot to you and me. It's more than pocket money. They're the symbols of our land. They're pictures of important things for which this country stands. The maple leaf is a beautiful sight to see. It waves hello to us below from the branch of a maple tree. And with every year that passes, it grows like you and me. So should we all grow straight and tall like the lovely maple tree. I've got Canada in my pocket, a little bit of history. A penny and a nickel and a quarter and a dime mean a lot to you and me. It's more than pocket money. They're the symbols of our land. They're pictures of important things for which this country stands. The beaver, oh the beaver, is a beautiful sight to see. He's a happy, furry animal, like a teddy bear with teeth. He's never ever lazy. He works all night and day, building houses for his family. He's got no time to play. I've got Canada in my pocket, a little bit of history. A penny and a nickel and a quarter and a dime mean a lot to you and me. It's more than pocket money. They're the symbols of our land. They're pictures of important things for which this country stands. The schooner, oh the schooner, is a beautiful sight to see. It's a great big wooden sailing ship that can sail across the sea. It brings to other countries the things their people need, and brings back things like chocolate bars and books for us to read. I've got Canada in my pocket, a little bit of history. A penny and a nickel and a quarter and a dime mean a lot to you and me. It's more than pocket money, they're the symbols of our land. They're pictures of important things for which this country stands. The caribou is a beautiful sight to see. He's a really big, strong animal, I'm sure you'll all agree. He looks like Santa's reindeer, and he loves it when the wind blows cold. So he lives up north with the polar bears, 'cause he likes the ice and snow. I've got Canada in my pocket, a little bit of history. A penny and a nickel and a quarter and a dime mean a lot to you and me. It's more than pocket money, they're the symbols of our land. They're pictures of important things for which this country stands.
So we're going to do a rhythm activity using nothing but a piece of paper, a pencil, and a couple of coins. So hopefully you can ask Mom or Dad if they have any coins, or maybe you have some coins in a piggy bank. We're looking for Canadian coins here, much like what you're learning about this week with Teacher Abby. So I'm just going to grab them here. I'm going to show you a bunch of coins. These are Canadian coins, much like what you're learning about in class. So the first one I'm going to show you is the toonie. Now, if you said this as a rhythm, how many sounds would it have? Toonie. Two sounds, exactly. Very, very good. Let's look at this guy here with the loon on it. I just gave you a big hint as to what it is called. This is the loonie. Can you say that? Loonie. And how many sounds does the word loonie have? Loonie. Two. Exactly. Very, very good. You guys are so smart. How about this guy here with the caribou on it? This is a quarter. Say that. Quarter. Two sounds. Quarter. Okay, how about this guy here with the beaver on it? This is a nickel. Say that. Nickel. Two sounds. You got it. Okay, they don't make these guys anymore. It's even hard to see because it's like so old, but oh, do you see it? It's the maple leaf. This is an old Canadian penny. Can you say penny? Penny. Two sounds. All right, and this guy here with the schooner, that great big old ship that brings things to places. This is a dime. Say dime. One sound. It's actually the only coin, I don't know if you noticed this, it's the only coin out of all of these coins that only has one syllable in its name. Dime. Unlike quarter, penny, toonie, loonie. You get the drift. So, here we're going to look at my paper and I'm going to show you how we can make a rhythm using money. Super fun!
Now to start, I just took a piece of paper. This is just a small piece of paper from one of these, I don't know, real estate things that came in the mail. I'm sure you guys have 100 of them. I just turned it around and I did, tried to do it as evenly as possible. I did 4 squares on top and 4 squares on the bottom. Then what you can do is you can ask Mom or Dad if they have any coins lying around that you can use. Really doesn't matter. You don't need as many as I have either. You could also draw them and cut out little circles if you want, if you don't have real coins. So anything for this really works. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a rhythm out of these coins. So let's see here. I'll take, who knows what this is? Quarter. Very good. I'm going to put the quarter there. Dime. Dime. Let's see. How about a loonie? Loonie. All right. Guys, to extend, I'd love you to add up your rhythms at the end and tell me how much money you have in your rhythm composition. Okay, I'm going to put another dime there. And, oh, I only had one of these because they actually don't make them anymore. A penny. Hard to see, but that's a penny. All right, so guys, here's the rhythm that I just made. It's not brilliant by any stretch of the imagination, but here goes. Okay, say them with me. Here we go. Quarter, dime, dime, loony, toonie, quarter, dime, penny. All right, let's say that again together. Say it with me this time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Quarter, dime, dime, loony, toonie, quarter, dime, penny. Okay, so now here's where we make it into music. Now, how many sounds are in the word quarter? Say that to yourself and clap it. Quarter. 2, exactly. That means that in this square, I know you guys remember this, we would be putting 2 dots there. So I'm just going to grab a little pencil. I'm going to put 2 dots just like this, just like we did in class, because there's 2 sounds, okay? How about the word dime? Dime. Exactly. You know it. It's 1. Oh, it's hard to do this holding the phone at the same time, guys. Really, it is. Woo. Okay, we just did this one. This is also a dime. How many sounds? Exactly, there is 1. And here it is a loony. How many sounds in the word loony? You got it, 2. Okay, moving down. Here we have toonie. Sounds just like loony, but it's toonie. Let's put 2 sounds there. How about the word quarter? You know it, 2. Okay, how about the word dime? 1. Exactly. And how about the word penny? Penny. 2 sounds there. Very, very good. So now what I can do is I can add my stems just like we do in class. So here I go. I'm make sure you see that there. Stems, 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 stems. Well, this is hard with one hand, guys. Stems, stems, stem, and stems. All right, now remember from class, that is very messy. Please forgive me. Now, boys and girls, do you remember what we do if there are 2 notes in one beat? We obviously have to connect them. So connect those, and those. So now we have a rhythm that we've made using money, guys. I'm just gonna make this a little bit neater for you. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. Oh boy. Let's see, there we go. That looks more like a rhythm, doesn't it? So now, let's say the rhythm that we have. We have T, T, ta, ta, T, 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 ta, T, T. And that is our money rhythm. And so guys, I would love for you to try to do this at home and then take a picture of it and send it in to me through the Google Classroom. I would love to see a money rhythm. I have a little, I have a visitor here. She wanted to see what all the fuss was about. I would love to see a rhythm composition that you have made using coins. This would make me so happy. So go ahead and try. If you need any help, you know I'm here to help you. Okay, see you soon.
I've got Canada in my pocket, a little bit of history.